hell, why? I'm not scared.
Yep.
I'm gonna go right there.
Tanya will put us in the poorhouse. I'm already bleeding.
Great, thanks for the warning. Oh, it's a good girl. I'm Problem. I swear I've only had one drink.
Disclaimer, we're just having fun. We are not professionals. If you aren't here to enjoy, this channel may not be for you.
What is better than lowering your bike? Any guesses? Air ride. That's what we're doing today. At least the front. But we will be doing front and back. Shiny, shiny, shiny stuff, guys. There's already Eric's greasy paw prints all over them. But
we used like one of those exchange programs on eBay.
yeah.
So
But
we
they came out good. I mean,
it's not the best.
not the best.
We have to get these old forks off and send them back. It's part of the deal. It's a core charge.
So the company we decided to go with was American Suspension, mainly because obviously made in America, we love that. They just take so much time with their stuff. You know, they label everything. It's really nice to not have to do any guesswork. Same thing with like AdvanBlack, you know, everything is labeled, everything's marked out for you. It's kind of like dumb proof. Basically this week, all we're gonna need is the springs, the lines, and I forgot
This
what,
is gonna be
the airbags,
the pucks.
The pucks,
Yep.
yeah, and
The top caps
yeah.
that'll be threaded. Wait till next week though. The compressor and the rear shocks. How simple this is gonna be to install.
I can't wait.
And the switches that we chose to go with it.
Oh yeah,
Oh, this bike is gonna be so amazing.
so amazing.
We are trying to get to 20,000 subscribers in 2024.
Yeah, Happy New Year, everyone! Woo!
So if you guys find any value or like hanging out with us, remember to subscribe, please. We showed them last week how blue this bike really is not.
Exactly, yes. It's such a beautiful teal. It's just, guys don't really get to see it too often.
It's a shame.
Yeah.
It's really a shame.
So I don't know if you guys remember, if you haven't seen our last video, make sure you go back and check it out. We did our I swear I've only had one drink so far.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Speaking of that, solo cup rating.
Yeah, oh boy, guys.
It's 11:30 at night to start with.
Yeah. Kids give us a hard time going
We're
at
on
night,
2.
so.
I think the job will be a Ford solo cup.
Oh, I am on 2.
Yes, here you are. So yeah, last week we did the Carlini Menace Apes 14-inch. We unfortunately had to take them right back off again.
Yeah, we kind of said we weren't going to do that. We weren't going to take off and put on and take off and put on. Well, we did because we had to show you guys.
It's easy enough to do. And now they'll just be out of the way. They're safe on the floor over there.
Are you just gonna help or are you just gonna stand there looking beautiful?
Our very skeptical dog. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. Oh, he's a good girl.
I'm already bleeding. That's a good start.
I don't even know how he does it. Like dropping shit, bleeding. He's always cutting himself.
It's just what goes. It just goes with the territory.
So those of you who are new to the channel, we're working on my 2002 Road King, and we got her real cheap. So we're doing her up because we have that extra wiggle room now to really like go ham on her. So
Go ham.
I know how much you guys love this wheel, but it's not going back. By the time you guys see this video, we will have our new wheel. Wheels. We got 2 this time. Unlike yours.
Ouch.
I'm special though, so I get matching wheels. Damn, she ate that already?
Goddamn hound dog. So we're doing a little trial run here. I think we're gonna make some VP Custom solo cups. If you guys be interested in buying some of those, let us know in the comments below.
Do we have calipers?
I don't have them yet.
I know. What did we decide we're going with?
I don't know. That's you. This isn't my build, remember?
Oh, but you're heavily trying to influence me, so don't.
Not saying a word. I haven't said a word in a while.
But we need to order this stuff, and you know what I want. So you just don't want to spend the money. Don't want to spend the money.
Flashback.
Wheels. We got 2 this time. Unlike yours.
Ouch.
End of flashback.
By the way, guys,
Bye,
I don't know if you know this, but I don't care about spending money.
Tanya will put us in the poorhouse. Not even blink an eye.
Okay.
Guys, buy some merch so Tanya can get some good stuff.
We actually got these really cool like new windbreaker / shirt type things. Should go check it out. Not my knuckles, because I'm not you. What's going on? What happened?
I know what you did.
No, you don't.
I saw you in the
What did I do?
You almost hit me in the head with a ratchet. Look at that.
See you later.
I'll take that tire though. That's a good burnout tire. Annie sees. No gloves, babies. No gloves.
Oh, proud of you.
It's a little heavy, huh? That's your big boy.
I gotta come down more.
Whoa. Jesus Christ.
This thing is the shit, man. Eric got this for Christmas from my parents.
Thank you.
So nice.
We will not be reusing these.
No, we're not.
No. Because now we have airline fittings going through the
Do we
top.
want to take these? Oh, but it's just so easy. It's just so nice. Why struggle?
Yeah, why use hand
Why are you
tools?
struggling?
Why use hand tools at all? Normally you'd have to be careful that we don't take that out all the way because the fork can just fall. But I wasn't concerned with this one because I'm pretty sure these forks have never been out before.
Great. Thanks for the warning. Just pulling out. Just pulling out.
Coming right
guys.
out. If you have enough room, just watch where you're going down there. You need me to go up? Oh, easy.
Well, we're sending these things back anyway. But we're out.
Trust it. You be okay?
She's not a fan of the sounds, but we're trying to acclimate her a little bit. Oh, see, that one went on a lot nicer.
I think the other one had like tape on it or something.
Oh.
Whoa. Beast, right?
Beast.
Bushing goes flying. Look at you, you're a pro now. Why are
Now?
people scared to do their forks?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared. You're just going. You're just winging it.
I'm the best at winging
You're just
it.
winging it.
I'm the
just tell me what
biggest winger and procrastinator you know.
This is the part that has attention.
yeah.
We gotta hide your
No.
pretty face, remember?
I don't like that.
So next we're gonna tear into these babies. If we can get this cap off. We've had problems with these in the past, especially when bikes aren't maintained properly. So.
What? I need maybe gloves. Grippage. Hey, Eric.
I left my, sorry, I left my Q-tip
You're cleaning
down.
your ears down
Yeah,
here?
sometimes I do.
What the hell? Why?
No, it's for cleaning freaking parts.
Okay. Cleaning parts. Should probably do that. All right, nice it is. Wait, what?
You're right, I was wrong.
Did you guys hear that? I'm right. I was wrong. Very special moment right now.
Ooh. That's some good looking stuff there.
Stinks too. Oh,
Nice.
it smells like cow shit. Ugh.
This is why we change our fork oil, people.
Ugh.
What is wrong here? What is going on here?
It does literally smell like manure.
Manure.
Oh god, this shit stinks.
Hi, baby. Another food break from Miss Tanya.
His stress makes me hungry.
Guys, that was a pain in
So-
the ass.
We figured out that it was probably best to just put it back on the bike
In the pinch tube there.
and work with it that way. And
Because, you know, trying to hold on to the fork tube is like a monkey and a
football.
at your face. You hold the tube.
Oh great, you're gonna make me do this again?
I got the top.
Also, it got really cold in here, but Eric refuses to let me turn the heat
Can't
on.
think straight with that thing on.
Terrified for this thing to come flying at my face.
It's not. I got my hand over it.
Oh, okay.
That's why I have you holding it. Gotta be ready for that guy. This guy out. We're gonna need this. We gotta keep this guy. Thank you. Doctor.
Doctor,
Thank you, doctor.
do we need that little washer in there too?
Tuck in there.
Sounds like you in the morning. By the way, guys.
What's the time?
1 a.m. Go, 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 there.
Doctor? My hand's severely burned. Oh. Some good stuff
Can you
here.
just show them what's going on?
Some good stuff here.
I'm just gonna continue eating.
He's going back to the guy. I'm not playing around anymore. Some bitch. Nah, that's some bitch. This one, butter.
Butter, it came off already?
Yeah, look, it's already spinning. It's always one of them that's fucking stuck. This is a little bit of an aggressive pop, right?
It is, yeah. Especially when you're not, like you're expecting it, but you're not
How do
expecting it.
you think I feel?
Ha! See? It's like Jack in the Box.
What? Dude, watch your hands. Get your hands out of there. Gross. This stuff is disgusting. Your services are no longer needed here.
That's nasty.
If you weren't doing chrome fork legs and you did the American suspension, this is like all you would have to do. Just dump out your fluid, dump out this spring and put in their spring, and then you're good to go.
Yeah.
We have to go the extra step because we're doing the chrome lowers now.
Oh, that's not good.
Getting yelled at for turning the camera off. So, just like the last time, that bottom fucking copper bolt gets stuck in there. The impact had it spinning freely, and turns out, don't do that. Leave it all together first and then take that off. But end of the story, we got it out. So now it's time to this baby. We're close. At least they're both apart now.
Yeah.
What time
That's,
is it?
I don't know, where's my phone? I'm still eating.
Stress eating.
I'm stress eating. Where's my phone? Oh. Alright. Well, only
2?
no. Only a half an hour went by.
Since we saw you last.
Jesus Christ, take it off already.
So I try to tell her.
Are you putting it in order?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you to kick it over again. Get you high.
Oh, I think I need that right now. I'm on 4.
Oh, I'm on 3.
He's only on 3.
All my ice melted. I'm just sitting here
My ice melted too.
working my ass off.
Hold on, don't sit here acting like you're working and I'm not. I'm problem solving just like you. I'm problem. I'm problem.
Is it because you're tired? Look, I know you're not drunk. People won't believe us. But...
I know. I'm problem solving with you.
Okay.
2 shots of vodka.
Comes the baby. All right. It's good enough.
There we go.
The goddamn wasteland in here. I don't know, Tanya. I wanted to do a lot more, but look at this. 1:41 a.m. You're delirious. I think we got forked again.
Fork you, Harley.
It's not that this stuff is hard, it's been fighting us. This bike is, I don't think, by the judging.
That's always what we go through dealing with older bikes. Is
Yeah.
things haven't been off in years.
Yeah.
And then we're the lucky ones that get to take it off for the first time.
Look at how dirty this stuff is.
That's
The
so
other
gross.
one is worse.
Yeah.
It smells like cow manure in here.
Smells like cow shit.
Yep.
No. I still haven't named her yet. Yes, she's the road queen. I get it. But I need a real name for her. And I'm having a really hard time with
You
it.
never named the Road Glide either.
Cinderella.
This is when the Road Glide was still, you were thinking it was
It doesn't
yours.
matter. It's Cinderella. Because we transformed her. As always,
Thanks for watching.
stay tuned for the next one.